Okay, children, today we are going to write the letters that start with the standing line, sleeping line, slanting line and curve. आज हम अल्फाबेट्स लेटर लिखने वाले हैं with the help of standing line, sleeping line, slanting line and curve की help से. All are ready?
Yeah, Mama.
We will write the letter B. To make letter B, first you have to draw standing line. Arav, draw standing line. Trace the dots. Curve. Another curve. Good. Standing line. Curve. Another curve. Very good. Standing line. Curve.
And do properly.
Another curve. Yes, good. To make letter B, first standing line, then curve, another curve. Okay. Clara, tell me the word that starts with letter B.
Boy.
Boy. And
Bad.
bat,
Bear.
bear,
Bell.
bell,
Bag.
bag. Very good.
Bedsheet.
Bed sheet,
Blanket.
blanket,
Bear.
bear. And you sleep on the
Bed.
bed. Very good. Next letter is C. To make letter C, you have to draw a curve. Arav, draw the curve to make a letter C. Good. Next. Trace the dots, okay?
Choo-choo.
Slowly, slowly.
No, not too fast.
Yes,
If it gets wrong,
yes.
wrong.
Very good. This is letter
T.
C. Or
Camel.
camel. And
Cow.
cow.
Donkey.
Chimpanzee. Very good. Caterpillar. Very good. And which animal say meow, meow?
Cat.
Cat. C is for cat. Very good. And
Carrot.
carrot.
Cup.
Cup. Very good. And what you eat in the birthday?
Cake.
Cake. You eat cake on the birthday. Okay. Very good. Letter is D. To make letter D, you have to draw first standing line, and curve. Standing line with the curve. Standing line with the curve. Standing line and curve. Standing line and curve. This is letter D. Tell me the words that start with letter D.
Dog.
Dog,
Duck.
duck,
Daddy.
daddy, and
Dance.
dance,
Deer.
deer,
Dinosaur.
dinosaur. Very good. Next letter is G. To make G, you have to draw first curve. Curve. Slowly, slowly. Curve. And small sleeping line. Can you repeat it? Curve slowly, slowly. Curve with the sleeping line. Curve with the sleeping line. Yes. Curve. Curve. Very good. Next. Curve. Curve with the small sleeping line. To make letter G, first curve and small sleeping line. This is letter
D.
G. Kiara, G is for
Gorilla.
gorilla and
Gun.
gun. Giraffe.
Goggle.
Goggle. Very good. Next letter is J. To make J, first you have to draw sleeping line, standing line with a small curve. Yes, standing line with a small curve. Good. Sleeping line, standing line with a small curve. Standing line with a small curve. Good. Sleeping line, standing line, small curve. This is letter
J.
J for
Jackal.
jackal. Juice.
Jug.
Jug.
Jump.
Jump.
Jackal.
Jackal. And you put on, what you put on in the winter? J is for
Jacket.
jacket. Very good.